guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing my 4th uni room tour. Now I can't believe I've already had 4, and I also really can't believe that I'm gonna have at least 2 more. So that's kind of exciting. But I thought I would show you guys around because it's definitely my room, and I have made it mine, and I thought I would actually keep this real. And I have, you know, I'm a fairly tidy-ish person, but I wasn't gonna like perfect it for you guys. I would just show you how I live basically. But can we just appreciate this curl? Like, it's just decided that it wants to be absolutely corkscrew. Like, look how bouncy it is. Sorry, it just reminds me of like a slinky, and I could just see it in my viewfinder looking all tiny, but yeah. So I thought I'd start where I was anyways. So this is probably where I spend most of my time. Like, I do all my studying here, and this is where I sit for most of my videos. You guys may have noticed I actually sit on my desk just because it's the kind of nicest area in my room to film, I think anyway. And I have all kind of, well, you guys actually probably haven't seen these yet, but I have just put up all my kind of fossil related postcards, and I've got the geological timescales. So it's just kind of my happy place, and also the place I spend all of my time, probably like 20 hours out of the day, because that's what a master's does to you, but it's good fun nonetheless. And then I have all kind of like my folders, my handbags, and my fossils. They're kind of like the 3 things in my life. You literally have the fashion, the fossils, and then the work. But that's just kind of what I do. But I will bring you guys a bit closer now so you can actually take a look at what I've got. Here's a closer look at my desk. So it's a little bit crazy at the moment, but that's just how I am. So I've got my notes down here, so this is what I'm currently working on, and then this is my best friend Jodie, some of you may know. And then I've got like lots of kind of things stuck to my wall just because I enjoy looking at things when I'm working. So I've got like some ammonites, ichthyosaurs. These are just really fun postcards you can get from the Jurassic Coast Trust. And then we've got the chronostratic chart here. And then these are really cool pieces of artwork that I can't remember her name. It was when I was at university in England, but she drew them made up of rubbish, and it's all the like plastics in the ocean. Very sad, but I liked how she, you know, drew them to show such a devastating problem at the moment. Anyway, moving on. And then these are my Paris memorabilia. So we've got, I just love the fact it's got like pin-up girls in front of the monuments. I just think it's so fun. Like I just really like it. And then up here we have my folders and stuff, my handbags, my fossils, and also my plants. If you guys know how I can save my Zebrina plant, please let me know. So this is a Zebrina, and 2 of the leaves have already died, but these 2 are like going strong, so I don't know whether they just died because they were weaker or something else, but let me know. And then here is my potato peeler that I think deserves to be in this video. So there you go. And then we have my microwave, and of course I have that many different types of teas because you can never have too many. But that's just all my random stuff. And then up I got these glasses when I was visiting Belgium, and they have like the cathedral down the stem. I don't know if it'll focus for you guys. There you go. I just thought they were quite cool. They're just like big glasses, but I love them. So we can just put those, oh, nearly break them. And then this is my kitchen that currently has pasta in the pot ready for my dinner. But you know, it's quite a nice uni room considering, like, look at the size of my fridge. Like, never would I have a fridge this size. And I'm not an alcoholic, but I reuse Absolute vodka bottles as my water bottles because they're glass. So, you know, if you have them lying about, they actually work really well for water. So I recommend. And then, of course, we have more fossils in a pot. And this is actually a coaster tree. You guys probably have seen it, but they're currently tucked away just for organisation purposes. And then, of course, my sign that comes with me in every single room I'm in. It's Emma's tip, because my brother made me this. And for those of you who don't get it, tip is like a rubbish heap. And so my room is my own rubbish heap, and that was my brother being funny, putting the radioactive sign, you know. And then this is my bed, which is currently a mess because this is my lights. And this is how I film. I just set up like a massive lighting system. So this is also kind of like a behind the scenes for you guys. So I've also got my ammonite and my light there. Then this room here, this is my bathroom. I won't give you guys a massive look, but hi. And then this is my door, my shoes, my lovely mask pile. I should probably make it a bit more practical than that. And then we have a cupboard, very nice. We have a little like storage hole here, which is ending up as just like my makeup and random stuff. And then I also have more storage in here, if I just move my light. So I brought a lot of clothes with me, but you know, that's me. I do like my clothes. And then this is actually a table, so I can pull it out and put it in the middle of my room if I wanted to. And then I've also got under bed storage as well. Like, it's pretty amazing. So that was just a really quick kind of like behind the scenes and look into my life and how my room is. Don't judge me too much, like I have 8 exams coming up, so I couldn't make my room spotless for you guys, but I thought maybe some of you would just like to see what a student room in France looks like and how a student is in her student room. So I kept it real because I thought it would be mutually appreciated. Yes, that's what I thought. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. This is kind of the area I sit in the most. Unfortunately, I wish it was my bed. That's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just thought you guys would want to see my 4th uni room because, you know, you've already seen 3 of them, and I thought now is the best time to show you because I do have 8 exams coming up. So yeah, this is probably the last video you're going to see from me for maybe like 2 weeks, so I apologise that I'm going to kind of take a break, but I have to focus on my exams because that's a lot. But yeah, I hope you guys understand that. But I do hope you're all well. I'll link my social media down below. Also, I do have a geology channel, so if you want to see more of the fossils, that'll be linked down below as well. But thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.